Hi, did you know that Fette Compacting offers a variety of different punch seals? Please check out our new video.
The punch seal provides a barrier between the punches, the lubrication, and the product to provide a smooth transition throughout the compression cycle. The punch seal also provides stabilization of the punches during die table rotation. If the punch seals are worn or missing, then it could produce weight variation, hardness variation, excessive wear to the tooling. For additional information, please go to our website.
Fette Compacting. Be efficient.